Alrighty, so uh, this afternoon we drove from Orlando to Melbourne to the Van Life Liftoff event, and it was such a beautiful day. It's crazy how in February it was so warm today. Uh, it was like 82 degrees, but it was very sunny. I mean, it was a really, really beautiful day. This was like at 3 in the afternoon, which is the hottest time of the day. And yeah, we had a really, really nice ride. Uh, La Gatita behaved really, really awesome. And yeah, it took us about 2 hours, 2.5 hours to usually a 1 hour drive. But I mean, uh, we are in no hurry. And this was the checkpoint. Uh, it was it was pretty busy. A lot of buses. Today being the first day, Thursday, so it was a nice surprise. This is my first event coming over here, and you can see it's pretty sunny. So yeah, we had a really nice day, like I mentioned. And funny thing, when I arrived, that I was setting up, I got a tent, and new tent. And when I was setting it up, it was broken, and I didn't make any videos or photos because I just had to go running and uh, exchange it for a new one, and that took me a while. So I almost missed the entry because the check-in was until 6 in the afternoon, and I arrived like 5 minutes after. I had checked in uh, before, and I'm staying like around here. Okay, this was the first time I arrived. I parked here, and then the tent was broken. So yeah, I had to went out and exchange my my tent. Okay, then after setting up everything and blah blah, I'll show you later, and tomorrow we're gonna walk around. But of course, we are trading. I didn't trade today. I mean, it's been some really, really crazy these last few days. So I didn't. I look at the market, but it was really volatile, and I didn't have time to. I wanted to arrive here uh, early, and at the end, I ended up arriving like 5 minutes after they were gonna close. I mean, they're still opening, but so yeah, we're here trading the Nasdaq Futures March 2025 contract. This is a 5 minute chart, and this trade happened around 11:15 in the evening Eastern Standard Time, of course. Okay, market has been on a really nice downtrend, and we have here a micro entry level or mini entry level, however you want to call it, and we have a support zone right here. I have a take profit level right here. Not that I mean, it was like seven points. I was looking for 10 points max. That's no, 5 points actually. I'm sorry. Yeah, $100 per contract, and I was trading two contracts, so I was looking for about $200 in this small trade. And you can see here entry two contracts at 21,866.50. It took, oh my god, it took forever. 10 minutes, okay, before market it really started pushing. So I sold another contract, 3 contracts instead of 2, and I'm like, you know what? If I'm gonna wait, let me add another contract and get this done with. So 3 contracts, 866.50. This is 75, but I'm gonna count it as 50 because I mean it kind of it makes sense. Don't worry. So yeah, and after I did that, market just how it did, like boom, it went straight to my take profit level and support zone, and it took, like I mentioned, less than 20 minutes, and it was a really beautiful trade. And I am so tired. If you hear me like, hey, right, you sound different, well, yeah, I'm super tired, but doesn't matter when you are having fun, right? So we have here Nasdaq sell setup. We have entry. I mentioned I was gonna make 3 contracts at 21,866.50, and now you're gonna see why. We have target 3 at 21,859.50, and that is 7 points. 7 pop, right? That's 66. Yeah, 7 points. 777 points. Okay, now we have total. I know. I love it when this happens. Now see what I'm gonna have to do here. I'm not gonna do this again, so I'll just do it here. And I apologize, but we have total trade. That's 7 times 3 because it's 3 contracts. That's 21 points, which equals 420. 420 bucks. Why? Because no. Yeah, I'm sorry. I am not editing or doing this again. So that's how we do it here. Total trade 21 points, which equals, we already said that, 420. Pop up. Why? Because ¿por qué? Because we know market gives 20 bucks per Nasdaq point. Boom. Oh, now you are doing that. Boom. Alrighty, here we are. Really, really awesome trade from entry level to support or take profit level. Okay, which is usually a few points above that support zone. Look how market came really, really close by a tick or two and then bounced back. Eventually they ended up reaching that support zone, but you know I like trading from resistance to support in a downtrend. Resistance is gonna be around here. I don't even have it marked because I was more focused on the market reaching that support zone. It's not the perfect trade setup, but I mean it worked out pretty good. So that's it. Now I'm gonna get out of here. Now I can't sleep because I'm so overwhelmed with whenever you trade. It's like, okay, I'm tired, but I'm not sleepy anymore. But anyway, that's it. It was a great trade. Right now it's 12:30 in the evening, Eastern Standard Time, and the sky is really beautiful. I hope I could take a picture, but I'm not going outside. Anyway, that's it. You wanna join our trading group? You wanna learn my trading strategy? Questions, comments, complaints, jokes? You know what to do. Saint Legacy Futures Trading Group. Oh, let me show you something. So this is how the setup ended up looking like. Okay, la gatita. You saw the previous video that I was kind of polishing it out. So yeah, I mean, and the 10th, this was the new one that I got. That I had to exchange the previous one, and the yeah, no, it looks pretty nice. I love it. I'm happy with how everything is going on. So now I am in here sleeping like well, whatever. So there's Ra and Leah is around here, all mad about with me. I don't know why, but anyway, yeah. Tomorrow we're gonna have some more fun around here, and we'll show you all the rigs that are around here, and it's a really nice place. And even though we're close to a street back here, there's quite a distance, so no noise. It's the breeze is really nice, no mosquitoes. So far so good. Looking forward for tomorrow, and I hope you're looking forward for tomorrow as well. All right, I'm gonna get out of here. Have a great one. Ka-ching!